Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about common reasons why your phone camera is shaking and making noise and what to do about it. Watch until the end of the video to learn more. Here are common reasons why your phone camera is shaking and making noise. First, you might have issues with your camera's Optical Image Stabilization, or OIS. This mechanism is the one that allows you to take clear and sharp images, but when faulty, it leads to the camera shaking and making noise. To correct this, go to Settings and disable the OIS mechanism. Also, a simple restart can reset the OIS mechanism and fix the issue. Secondly, you probably made a software update. Updates can help you fix bug issues, but sometimes create more problems. To fix this, restart your phone, and if the shaking doesn't stop, contact your phone's support team for help. Next, you probably kept your phone near magnetic accessories or cases that interfered with the camera sensors. To fix this, if you're using a magnetic case or any mount, or you've attached accessories, remove them and test the camera to see if the issue stops. You recently installed new apps that have access to the camera. Some have bugs or may conflict with your phone's software, causing the camera to behave abnormally. To correct this, boot your phone to safe mode to turn off all third-party permissions. If the camera works well in safe mode, then a third-party app is likely the cause. Identify the recently installed apps and uninstall them. Lastly, there could be damage to your phone's camera modules caused by accidental drops and impacts. To fix this, check for any visible signs of cracks on the camera lenses, then take it to a professional technician for repair. Please don't attempt to resolve the issue yourself, as you might damage it further. And there you have it. These are the common reasons your phone camera is shaking and making noise, and what to do about it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.